Hello, beautiful people. Future me, welcome to another round. Um, I will learn. Good. That's good. And there's a list 247. Hey. How are you? Today's on the paperwork. Oh well. Oh, that doesn't sound great, does it? I spent last few days like what the fuck is happening with this? Fuck you, Windows. Never mind. Personally, I don't know. Girls are our topic. But yeah, I have nothing to complain about, really. What the but I'm really good at it. I mean, complaining. At work, that might be more interesting. There's one developer who's like performing very badly, and he's not taking feedback and so on. It looks like I'm the last man in a queue, and if he doesn't pass through me, he might get fired. So we'll see. We'll see about that. I spent so much time like explaining things to him, and sometimes there's minimum progress, if any. It almost feels like he doesn't give a shit. Well, I don't know. He needs a lot of attention and guidance, and it might not be in the current capabilities of the company. A few years, I would say. I did learn it. No, it's definitely not like a good asset for the company at all. He's cheap, yeah, salary-wise, but if you calculate it and weight it against the like others, it doesn't pay off really. Oh, what the fuck? What is this? Like PGB who revolutionized the company and pulled it out of the mud. Lol. Yeah, I get praised. I get praise from time to time. But I know you're joking. Is this what I'm going to do? Where is this? This is DI provide. Where did I found this? Oh, that's the reference, yeah. Okay. Writing a service, sure. Provider scope. I wanted to code something. Where's the project? Oh, here's some update. You can update meanwhile. Oh, well, I'm flattered. Thank you very much. I'm trying to be useful for everyone, right? For the co-workers, so they would be better developers, and after spending some time with me, would have like higher value on the market, and also the company, you know, getting shit done. The fuck, dude? Oh, Windows and their fucking Windows positioning. Good enough. This looks like something I would do. Okay, time is running. And is this something Is this like the read at the end, more to read thing at the end of this thing? How did I get there? So you have a new job? Sorry if you told me already and I forgot. PhD position. Ah, yeah, no, that's ringing a bell. Hey, so. So much to know. Hey, Orkson. What the fuck is it? The same thing? Is it not? Holy fuck. Here it's like highlighted that it would be on the same page, but oh, I see. I got a dependency injection, and this is the DI providers. Okay. Okay. Alles klar. Oh fuck. I did close something which I didn't. I'm good. Today my direct manager almost told me that I might be too nice to certain people. Or maybe that I'm investing too much time into some of the people. Well, the thing is that this guy has been relocated from 4 teams already, and then we tried to use him as a tester, and the testers didn't want him because he was not able to follow instructions. And now is in my team, and I did return his work 8 times already, from the code review. And that's one ticket. It goes like that. Oh god. Yeah. I don't make the hiring decision or firing decision. Well, here it might be my call. It's basically I think I'm the most kind or patient guy in the company. So maybe it was like last resort, maybe. But I spent too much time trying to explain things to him, and then the next time I even have to like specifically tell him if I explain a concept to you or a principle or a guidance, it is expected from you to do it from now on everywhere, not just on the line of code I explained the problem to you on. Well, for the rest of the team, I don't know. Maybe just for the people who spend the time on the code review, and most of the people are just glancing over the code review. It's usually me who catches the problems in the code. So it's mostly work for me. More work for me. I will buy a new webcam. PGB 4K. Yeah, it will be 4K cam, but I will not stream in 4K because my internet connection is crap. Even this is 30 frames per second. I cannot stream 60. Oh, I can. Well, you don't scale it. You specify in the streaming studio what the output bit rates are, the resolutions, everything. So that should not. It will be more load for the hardware on my computer. My speeds, I don't know right now. Why it's not good? No, not much. Oh, actually, I forgot. I wanted to arrange a tea meeting, two tea meetings actually, with some of my tea friends, which I haven't seen for some time. There should be new teas coming to Czech Republic, which I was invited to do a tasting of. Ah, come on, stop pulling my leg back. Don't get. Yeah, tea meeting. This is correct. In person. Oh, the corona, we were doing some online as well, but it's hard to taste the same tea. And one of the meeting is about the tea, the quality. Reread, fuck. Oh, Microsoft Teams. Good one. Okay, so here's the thing, right? We define the token like that, but we can also specify it manually. This expanded in this long form. The token is basically an object, and the provide is the marker for like where he. Hey, marhaban, nightlight. This is. If you find somewhere where we can inject this thing, put in there that. That's hopefully that makes sense. And there are more things than use class. We can say, what is it? Use existing, use value, use factory. Use class is pointer to the class. Use existing is that if you defined it like somewhere in before, so for example, I would have here logger already. So I can say use existing, and that is because this thing creates a singleton for the context, the module or whatever, where it is provided, right? It is one instance. So if we want another alias, we can do it this way. And see, here we have already new logger, right? And if some class or something is asking for old logger and we want to provide it with this guy, we can use this syntax. And that's all here is written basically. Yeah, so if this guy has this dependency, it has to be specified there as well. Oh, I'm so lazy. I don't want to. I didn't want to. I don't know to code it, but I will. Okay, so here is some demo for the provider. So we will have a look what they did in this example. So the providers, what they are doing. So here some component, but that's not the only one, right? So we have some component in that we have a provider, a logger comes from here, and so what is the template? Where the template is coming from? Here it is. Template is log. This.log log 0. Okay, I see. So basically, it is a string. That's that, and in the constructor of that, we put in some string. Okay. Me understand. So hello from the provider with logger class. Okay, so we have it running, right? So okay, so here are the things. Those are from the different components. Oh, I have this thingy, right? Which I don't have in work, it's just shame. And that is the Angular. See, I can easily see what kind of components we are using in there. And we don't have this in work because we have ancient compiler, Angular compiler. Something I want to change too. Yeah, there were some problems with the compiler though. Switching it to the next thing. I should analyze how difficult. Okay, I'm working again. Now I will learn. I'm looking here. Okay, so what are the differences? What are you showing? So this one is just the token is created like that. Here they are using the expanded thing. Now, yeah, so here we are using better logger, right? Better logger just extends the logger. All right. Logger is this. I would create like some implementation so it would be visible. You know, let's say what it was. It was log, right? Log. Yeah, exactly that. So we will exactly. What we will say here, console log, console log. Moin. This is better. Yeah, thank you. It is. I like it. It's the happened to me today in the on a yeah, right. Today at the stand-up, our Scrum Master, she told me, I didn't. Today, the Scrum Master, she told me, because I turned on the camera by accident at the stand-up. I was like, hey, and my mic was turned off, right? And she goes like, oh, and then when I turned off the camera again, and she goes like, oh no, we want to look at you. I was like, what? Really? And she goes like, yeah, you look good. So I was like, eh, ooh. Ooh. Yeah, that was funny. Yeah, so this should work now. If I go here to the example, and I will have a look in the console, we can see that, oh wow, where did this come from? From here, maybe? Okay, the log does what? Oh, whoopsies! It's already there. Okay, so you haven't seen nothing. It's not there. You didn't see anything. Bye. Okay, alright. Here's like. At work, yeah. Here, not so much, because I'm just fooling around just to understand what is written in documentation, or verify things which are not written in the documentation, or maybe, or I don't understand. You know, like when you are preparing for the job, you are trying to like understand every single bit, right? And you feel bad that you don't know every specification in TypeScript, Angular, in testing, and so on, and you are scared that you will not be good enough because of that, right? And then, if you are me, you go to the work, and then you are explaining to the people that that their test should actually run the code which they are trying to test every day for months. Oh well. Okay, so this did use the better blogger, right? Okay, so that's. Wow. Oh. Oh. Then I would say like you are well above the average. or at least the average I meet every day. It's not normal for people to do that. It takes long time for most. Yeah. Dude. Most of the people take forever to learn anything. I would say before I started to work on in this job, I would consider myself to be like being very slow, but dude, there are people, and you know the industry is desperate, right, for people. So sooner or later you will see unbelievable things. Is there a hidden message? No. I guess. Well, now I'm not stressed in the work at all, because when I see like people which are not fired and what they are doing, I feel invincible. I feel immortal in there. I should not say this while recording, but there are many things which I can get away with. Oh yeah, that's one of the many. It's insane. Like, for example, what did get me, right? He was writing a test, right? And you have the it block, right? Here's the name of the test. It showed fill XXX properties on save, for example, right? That's what he wrote in short. And here you have the body of the test, right? Where you actually write the tests. This is now red because I don't have to import it, and this is not a test file, blah blah blah, whatever, right? And he had this like some kind of setup, right, which was wrong. Then he triggered something, right, which was a component on reset. And then he verified that expect and that was method ABC have been called, right? And now I have import in there. So I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? First of all, you say it's on safe, and then you are running on reset. To be honest, you wrote that? What do you mean? And then it... Oh well. That was one of the recent things which I was like looking at. I was saying to myself like, what the fuck? What the fuck? What's happening? So here's the... What the fuck is this? Oh, that was a joke. It wasn't to be honest, you wrote that. That was be honest, you wrote that. No, I didn't. This is better logger. This is even better logger. It takes the user service. Ah, yeah. That's the one which we need the user service. And it does message to, and here's the string template. Message to Bob, hello from Evan. Even better logger, okay. Okay, so this is just here to demonstrate that we have to have the user service. If I take it away, it will be broken. The fuck? How come? It should crash. You should crash. God damn it. Okay, so in here it takes user service, yeah, but I have import in here, right? Yeah, so it takes it from the import. Do you enjoy Angular? It is a tool. It's like, do you enjoy Hammer? A kind of question to me, you know? It's like, well, Hammer is good for something. It's worse for something else. It's just tool. I don't care. Hey, Ryan. He keeps doing like new things. Oh. Well, today I beat my manager in like fuck, how is that? Smash Brothers. Yeah. I did beat him in Smash Brothers. That's how I am. Oh, many more things, but I would be repeating myself. I would say good. My colleague found a document in which I am marked as the next team lead. And my direct manager was talking about it with me multiple times. So oh, thank you. So we'll see. Oh wow, that's really. How big is the company? It's multinational. It has people from US, Czech Republic, India. It used to be Spain. Now they are trying to recruit people from around Europe. 250, really? What jobs they are doing? Well, I'm not paid nearly that. Oh well, I would not mind that kind of salary. I still don't want to end. I will go for a little bit more. Oh, we have found on stream. We have found companies and salaries which were like even like 800K. Once on a stream, we went through, yeah, and we found like people who were paid. Yeah, I remember like we found someone who was working somewhere at the, well, I think it was one of the FANG companies, the position, and he was paid something like $800,000 dollars per year, which is complete insane number to me. I don't know what he was. I don't remember that. I don't remember what he was. Well, apparently I might be elite soon too. But just that will not make me 800K per year. $45. It's like 40. Yeah, for me it's about the same. Maybe even less. Depends. Anyway, I think I will stop the recording.